Chance to put them in front.
Psych! Dead boy. Dead boy. There's some matter like this. Back again. One more feed and then we're done. Oh, press. Don't less. No, I'm blessed. Isn't it? Is there? So, boss going to Jamaica, is it? Oh. Is there? Mighty God. Puskas that. Puskas. Watcha? Ronaldo. R9. Cafu. Murder this brother. Abidi Pele. How would I do that? How would I write there again? More from murder.
Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious
I beg a win for channel. You can't hear me, G.
I'm Derek Gray, and joining me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And we have action from foot rivals coming your way. How's it going to go, Stuart?
Well, it's been an excellent competition for them so far. They've played some really good football and they seem to have a good team spirit. They'll be tough to beat today.
He's going forward
for a long
well
time
here.
for a long time.
Due for that good piece of defending. The lineup then for the hosts. Thibaut Courtois is the keeper of choice. Cafu starts with Theo Hernandez in the wide defensive areas. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. The lineup for the absolute mad lads. Alisson begins in goal. Rodri plays alongside Fernandinho in central midfield. And they line up with just the one striker looking to do a bit of damage.
Come here.
An effective challenge.
Well,
we know how troublesome he can be on the pitch, but what should we expect from him today, Stuart?
Well, he's the most creative player on the field. He can run with the ball, he can get himself out of tight situations.
Oh, hang on, Stuart, look at this! And a goal right off the bat! No
Pele.
wonder they're jumping for joy! And the ball moving again. What sort of response will we see from them now? Tierney. Here's Robertson.
Hey!
Absolute mad lads now in potentially a dangerous position.
You shoot that long time, shoot that. The leg off around and go so. See it, man. And the man get 2 more steps.
So underway again, following
School
the
dog.
goal that
The
made
school on my
things
G.
level.
Now make you get that, you know. So now make you get that, you know. That boy.
Able to skip past his man. Could cross it in here.
Watch out. No for that.
And very deftly cut out.
Yo, that game a coolie, man.
Pele. And an astute piece of defending.
Oh, when this hits, go marching in.
The mad lads could be onto something here. Chance to put them in front.
Psych! Dead boy. Dead boy. Yeah, the boy.
Well, he might
Stand up on your foot, boy.
back of that. So there we have it. 2-1.
Watch out.
Enjoy yourself, yeah,
Enjoy yourself, yeah,
man.
man, G.
Real, all the way. Is it?
Isn't it?
So enjoy yourself.
Nah, take it too serious, you know. Hey.
Well read to win possession back.
Yo, let me press on. Yo, let me press over there. Press on long time, dog.
Andrew Robertson.
Press that. Yeah.
Coutinho. Well, that's how to beat your opponent.
Nope.
Bunda. How for me get that?
Oh, sloppy by the lads.
You stop playing foot.
And good use of advantage. The referee
Stop playing
allowing
foot.
play to continue.
No shit.
Moving
He's
it
killing a
forward.
dog. Watch your feet, eh? Stand up by your foot, boy!
Unable
Oh,
to keep the ball in time.
Hey, use yourself. And hey, stand up by your foot, boy. Why that one?
Excellent vision.
Oh, I'm jogging.
Martinelli.
I'm jogging. Yeah. 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 Shit,
And the
good
challenge
guy.
halts them in their tracks.
I'm not doing, you know. So run him down. Run
Ronaldo.
him down.
Ronaldo.
What you do? Give me this.
Strong but fair tackle.
Bad boy. Shoot me.
Fernandinho.
Too early, but good child.
Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Now what can they do from here? But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. That's very effective. Good high pressing. Almost at half-time. It's going the way of the visitors. Stuart, what have you made of what
Can he
you've
finish
seen?
it here, Derek?
Oh, marvellous save. In it goes.
I mean, Torres! No, man, this is great.
So back underway
Ah,
at
kick, kick.
3-1.
We're missing a dog. And there's some card every now. Yeah! Don't kick him down.
They need to get tighter.
Give me this! What you do?
A chance to eat into their lead. Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Well, that's just a
No,
wonderful
I
save.
know, we'll
How
say
did
that.
he
We know
stop
say a
that?
killer in my G, but Jaja.
A sloppy pass.
One Kajada, a killer, you know.
As the stats show us, the visitors have had most of the play, and they've made good use of it. They really have played some good attacking football, and they look like scoring more.
No, but now I make him go away, no. But I'm somebody
Great
wants to come
strong
away.
tackle. Throw in forthcoming.
Right.
Martinelli.
Nope. No, no.
Oh, the man saved that.
You!
Cafu.
Oh, dog, I don't know
Pele.
how, but him save it to blows and
Well, I
scared.
still can't believe that didn't go in, Derek. It's a fantastic stop from the keeper, you have to say.
And scope for them to produce something exciting. But really sticking to their task defensively. Fernandinho. And there it is, the half-time whistle.
Dog, I don't know. Oh, yo, make some. Yo, me never it to control it and go far. One time that. One
Well,
time
he's been
that.
a long way from his
I
best
don't
up front,
know. Oh.
Stuart.
Well, Derek, he has to impose himself on this game. He's been far too quiet so far.
83 passing, suck on the mother, I can't decide. Big Bombona, legend.
As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far. And now the second half is underway. Ronaldo.
I know, zone have to zone the space in the dark. I want to push a foot and then him gone, you know. Push up. I can start. You know.
Ruben Diaz. Fernandinho with it. Counter-attacking, very much an option. But nothing comes of it. Barella. Now with Pele. Very quick thinking there.
See ball.
Oh, he's not looking confident in possession.
Shall I send it over by top still?
Ruben Diaz. Now Cuadrado. Coutinho.
From this one, me a boss it.
Torres!
From this one, me a boss it.
Post king!
From this one, me a boss it. Come on, I know say this way I go.
So back
Oh,
to the
keep on the
action,
friend.
and the absolute mad lads.
Yeah,
are
be
running
deep fella
away.
injured. Oh, man. Hey.
Oh, man, oh, you can't injure after
Watch your
that.
bone, watch your bone.
Oh, managing to beat him. Well, the final analysis, it was good defending.
Understand. Ball, man.
Rodri. space
Come on,
here.
no yash me now.
Good defending.
Sure. I run you down, you know. I run you down.
Antonio Di Natale. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly.
Come on, dead. Dead. Yeah, kid. Come on.
Losing
Shoot
custody
the ball.
of it.
Shoot up the ball. I say, shoot up the ball.
And into the last 30 minutes now. Well, this could pose problems for the defenders.
Nope.
Splendid defending.
Seriously, the guy there, yo, but I go shoot, but I know the keeper there go see that. I'm right in front of me. Go on, no?
A delicious piece of skill.
Options.
Options in the middle. Cuts in from the flank. Well, not on the target. The keeper seemed to have it covered.
No, why?
He
Okay,
did
no.
seem to have it covered, but it's not a bad effort, though. He really did strike it well.
Right.
Martinelli. The
Go
absolute
forward.
lads finding
We
space
go
on the flank.
forward. Then we go forward.
Rodri. Coutinho. Can he put it away?
Yo,
And that
oh.
is defending of the highest
One more.
order.
It's like when they want to get that last touch, you can't get it, brother. You just can't get it. Send him back, give me now. Go.
Pele.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
India tried to
Over
root
the
the
touchline
ball.
for a throw-in.
You just out.
And a strong tackle.
Come on, watch yourself. Touch.
Coutinho.
Ah.
20 minutes remaining.
Thank you. Both stomach leg. Yo! I want to get that touch from that. That's it.
Ronaldo.
Shit. Ah! Yo!
No problems grabbing hold of that one.
One long ball. Send that back up there, sir. I don't see no pass. Send that back up there, sir.
Almost at full time.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, what's the keeper doing?
I'm to go there.
And he's through here.
Ah, here we go. We're not going to score that, sir.
Oh,
No, but gee! They're the part, isn't it? That was for the win, I mean, that was a long time, you know. They man
If
laugh.
there were any lingering doubts about the outcome, surely they now have been removed.
Bye.
Martinelli.
I'm dead!
Can he find the net? And no way through. Lovely work to get past his man, but the danger
Dancing with the
averted.
defenders.
Well, they've lost possession of the ball. Good technique displayed. Is it oh, diving save.
Yo, but see, the rest of weird people just come forward was pushing past him. So left foot, one, left foot after this. Oh, man. Oh, right foot, I'm going to say, sorry. Put in after this. Alright. Watch out, man.
And fed in by Coutinho.
Fuck it!
A goal.
Oh, home to them!
Being spoiled.
Home to them!
At its finest.
Yeah, don't make him score another. We are fighting now.
Well, it's been such
Yeah,
a
sure, everything.
one-sided game. He just
Foul,
there
lad.
could be trouble here. He's already
Foul,
been
lad.
cautioned. Oh,
Good try,
brilliant technique. I'm not sure about you, Stuart, but I thought that was going in.
Well, so did I, but in the end it comes to nothing. But what a great strike it was. It was hit so sweetly.
Yeah, Raji. Tongue in midfield. Come here, pick it up. Oh, that brother.
And the throw-in forthcoming.
I'm just here with this.
Ronaldo. And they need to get
No.
tighter. And let's give credit to the defending.
No passion.
Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack.
Bye.
Will it be sufficiently
Give me
imaginative?
this. Yo.
All in all, a broken
Well,
Well, trying his luck from a long
My
way
G.
out, but the keeper saw it all the
No,
way.
you have a turn, bro.
Psych!
And space for them here on the flank.
What else we said?
As clean as a whistle, that challenge. And the fourth official confirming that we'll have one additional minute. And so the referee blows for full time, and
Good
it
match,
goes down
G.
as
Good
a
match,
victory
G.
for the
Yes,
visitors.
Well, Derek, it
Six
was a
at the
very
drop.
assured performance, wasn't it?
5
Particularly
attempts,
impressed with their play
3
going
goals.
forward.
Hat trick
Really
for
like
Nando.
Another hat trick for
One
him.
shot upon that one.
Result never
Never
much.
Hold on, I'm gonna back in next to me. Yo, I'm telling you, boss me, boss this. No, me, I put the ball here. That's all, folks.
See,